And when I tell you that this relationship lasted 3 weeks, like testing, 1, 2, 3, I don't know what I'm doing there. So today is going to be a chit chat. Hi, I'm Adiah, and I'm going to be doing my makeup. I haven't done my makeup since I moved to Lagos, but that is besides. I went to try some new makeup because when I got to Lagos, for someone who doesn't do her makeup or who hasn't been doing her makeup, like what you know makeup, please subscribe. Right. What's the first thing? Because I'm going to be using this one from TM Essential. It doesn't have a smell. Okay. I like it. It feels a bit tacky. Oh my god, if you hear a sound, it's the fan. I'm sorry. I just started posting on Instagram. I will be making some IG content today as well. So, what are we talking about? So today's going to be like a relationship type conversation. You know, for somebody who has given up on love. I mean, I like the idea of love. I like when I see other people, you know, have their fairy tale moment, but like I'm just like, okay. I'm just going to be talking about cheating in a relationship, double dating, having an open relationship, taking back your exes, ladies and gentlemen, taking back your exes. So yeah, the foundation I'm going to be using is going to be this secure foundation. Then I'm going to spray with my Kiss Beauty setting spray. Okay, cheating in your relationship. Should you stay with a cheating partner? Should you stay with someone who has cheated on you? Personally, I want. And even if I cheated on a partner, there will have to be a reason. People just don't cheat, in my opinion. But there's one thing I always hear, that cheating is a mistake. Cheating is not a mistake. Cheating is a preconceived thought. You did not just fall on his own. You didn't just sleep and end up in her bed. I mean, even though guys have like, if you hear them put up their arguments for cheating, it's to amaze me, honestly. Wow, this foundation is like mad. So I was having a conversation with someone. Okay, so basically dating someone who's like not sexually active. My brain is on sleep. Anyways, but you know, he's a guy, and I don't. When guys say that, I really don't know what that means. Like, I'm like, if you want the real, like, it's people complicate things for themselves. If you want to have sex in a relationship and there's a girl who doesn't have sex, who doesn't want to have sex, don't date her. I mean, it's very, you would think it's very simple, right? Like, don't date her for your sake, for her sake, because she just gets messy in the end. That's just the honest to God truth. Like, oh my god, you guys didn't even tell me. I mean, it's pretty full coverage, actually. I can see some discoloration here. I don't know if you can see. I also got secure concealers as well. Okay, they're not the exact same shot. Wow, it's like running. But like, if you're dating someone who doesn't have, if you like someone who doesn't have sex, please don't date her. Like, I've been in a similar situation, so I know that gets pretty fast. And then you justify you guys not having sex. That's your justification for cheating. You're like, well, I can sleep whoever I want because I want to have sex. What? You know, I've been in a situation like that, and I had to learn the hard way and just take my L and leave, honestly, because I would rather not date anyone that be disrespected like that, because I don't care. Everybody gets. So if I say wait and you can't wait, that's fine. But then we can't be together. If that makes sense. Hey guys, I don't know how I feel about this concealer, but let's keep going. Okay, I think I should have let it dry down a bit. So that's just it for me. Cheating, like, it's not, I don't know, it's just when people try to justify it, I'm like, it's just respectful. Like, if you know you don't want to be with that partner, like, just make it known. Don't make life hard for anybody, because the fact you're with someone else, we can as well just have an open relationship at this point, because like you will never get me back 100%. What am I saying? 100? That's both of you assuming you had me 100%, honey. As soon as I find out, we are no longer together, obviously. Anyway, that's just my opinion on that. Cheating is never a mistake. I would not stay with anyone who cheats on me. Open relationships. Now, do you want to know what's funny? I've had an open relationship before. Now, I'm the type of person who is, I'm very jealous. Honey, I'm talking even with my friends. Like, I don't want my friends to be friends with my other friend. That's how I am. A quick story time. So, when I had this relationship, when I was back in college, Playboy was like, he really wanted to date me. It was all about the whole sex thing. And I'm like, okay. That was like my first year in college. Like, I was just trying to get my standing and all of that. And he was like, oh, he wants to date me. So the friends were like, we're friends. He was in a, what's it called? A higher level than me. I think that was like his final year or something. Like, he was just cool as my friend. Like, I liked him as my friend. I didn't want to date him. So at the point, I'm like, you know what? Okay, let's date. And I'm like, okay, we can date, but let it be like an open relationship. And when I tell you that this relationship lasted 3 weeks, like, yeah. Because the truth is, I didn't like him like that. And I thought I would eventually. I don't know. If you know me personally, you know, like, I'm very guarded. I don't like to share people, especially me. So just an open relationship, just that should hint you that I'm not even interested in starting. And that was the first and last time I did it. To me, I would only do an open relationship if I didn't care about you. And if I didn't care about you, it's like, why am I dating you? Do you understand? So I got this I can never say that right, but I got this palette. So I'm going to go in with this shade, this one here. See what it's giving. I'm going to the deeper shade, and now I'm just making it stronger. Okay, dating your exes, guys. Now, I'm speaking about this from experience because I have done it. So I can tell you the truth right now. I'm not gonna lie. Please don't do it. Like, please. I know some people separate amicably, whatever that means. I've done it, so I know I shouldn't ever try it again. I'm not even going to go into details, but just know that when you break up with someone and you wait over a long period of time and start catching feelings, and then you commit to those things, you remember why you broke up with them. That's all I'm going to say. Okay, there's this video I watched, right? This girl, she's like, instead of her increasing her body count, she'd rather go back to her exes, you know, just for like a good time or whatever. And I'm like, if that's your cup of tea, then that's fine. As long as you're not emotionally involved. I'm sure you guys are like, where is she going with that news of her? Like, but I had a plan, baby. I had a plan. It's like this new routine I've been trying out. That's a lie, because I have actually not done my makeup not once. But it's a new routine I saw. So I just put my lashes to dry. So next time you see me, you're gonna be seeing lashes, okay? 1, 2, 3. That was such a poor fail. I think I moved the camera even. Okay, take 2. 1, 2, 3. Hey guys, I lied. So I've been trying to put on my lashes for like 30 minutes at this point. But I don't know if it's just because I'm out of practice or it's just not sticking on. I'm going to use mascara instead and call it a day because I can't. So I'm going to be using this one by Blossom Makeup. Guys, I can't remember what I was saying for the life of me. So here's what's going to happen. So yeah. So you should get my gist. It's not worth it. And first of all, I'm nobody's ex because like if you broke up, you don't know me, I don't know you. But then I tried this thing where I tried to be friends with my ex. Well, you know how that's the end. So yeah. The more I got soaked into the whole thing, the more I remembered why I opted out of it. I got this lip palette from Gold Cosmetics. Let's do it. I feel like the vibe is giving me. I took everything off. I'll still keep playing with it. Maybe it's just me that didn't get it right. This is so weird. I don't know if you've used this palette and you have like an idea on how to make it look better, please let me know. I forgot how to do makeup. What the hell? I guess that's it. Let me just fix my hair and I'll get back to you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Honestly, this year was very chaotic, as you saw. Cause Lord knows I haven't done my makeup in a while. But you know I got it because it still came out bomb, okay? Yeah. So please let me know your thoughts on everything we talked about in the comment sections. Guys, some of the guys on my channel did mention that they don't like when I do makeup videos, but they prefer when I do a talking, like me talking about other stuff rather than my makeup. So yeah, but there are majority of girls here though, so you know, whatever. Just I hope you like this video. Please let me know in the comment section what you think about, you know, dating your ex, getting back together with your ex, having an open relationship, or cheating. And let me know the most cheesiest excuse you've heard for cheating. I feel like the one I hear a lot is, I mean, guys, what we do, or I don't know. I feel like there has to be more out there. Because so like, let me know like which one have you heard that busted your head and you're like, you just say what? I feel like that would be very interesting. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I'm back to making makeup videos again. So like, oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. Like, I don't even know why. Whatever. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram because yes, I will be posting there. Don't be rude now. Don't be rude. Okay, follow me. Okay, thank you. Bye guys. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.